Okay, so here's another purchase I wish I hadn't made. Regardless whether it's a Max fan or a can't remember what this one is called. I believe Max Fan though bought this production from Fantastic Fan. Anyhow, this one here does not bring in the amount of air I want. Versus this thing here that I installed myself, made myself. I cut the wood out. Let's see if I can get a better view. I cut the wood out in a cool design, and I just bought that fan with the mounts on it, and wired it up, and it's a reversible fan. So I put a reversing switch on it right there, so I can have air come in or go out through this right here, and there's quite a bit of air coming through. But I made that myself, and that I use that way more than I use the Fantastic Fan. But I just, cut me out a piece of wood, mounted that thing to it. I had to put these shims right here in because the fan was sticking down further than that. I could probably do it again, but then I might end up hitting the bottom of the vent there, the emergency hatch. But I would have, since I already have the hole, I might just take out that. Well, I don't have a hatch to put over it, but I'd much rather have this than that. All right, I hope that helped you make, let me see if I can get a good picture here. There we go. Better. Not great, but it's better. I hope this video helped you maybe make a decision on a fan. Sometimes you just end up overthinking it and want something more elaborate that you need, and that's what I found out with me is this Fantastic Fan is just more elaborate than what I needed, and a simple fan like what you see in the background is the way to go for me. May not be the way to go for you, but anyhow, just hope it helped you out making the decision, and see you in the next video.